Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In this video, I thought I'll start with a small clip of ASMR with you. Do let me know if you enjoyed this. Now, only after your yeast has bloomed beautifully, then start the preparation for your bread. Reason is, if your yeast has not bloomed, that means whatever you do, your bread will not be successful. I'm trying a new recipe, rather I'm developing a new recipe here using all ingredients that is available in India. The most common mistake that I think any newbie baker does is replacing flour from the recipe. And by that I mean, so if you have found a recipe which uses all-purpose flour or maida, do not replace it with a whole wheat flour or oats flour or buckwheat flour or any flour for that matter. Reason is, each flour has its own hydration capacity. Like different flour absorb different amount of liquid. Henceforth, with keeping all the recipe ingredients same, you will not be able to achieve the similar texture. In my opinion, if you plan everything, then you have time for every little thing. This is one lesson that I have learned thus far. Even on a weekday, I do take out time to do small bit of self-care for myself. I have set up a morning and evening routine for my own self-care. And the effects have started showing on my skin, on my hair, very much. This snail mucin is thus far my favorite of all, and I really like the texture and feel of it on my skin. It's super hydrating, and I have included that in my evening and morning routines. Vitamin C is another addition that is there for my morning rituals. I follow this up with some ceramides and peptides cream and currently I'm using this one from Dot and Key. Usually I just layer once of a sunscreen, but since I'm going out today, I'll do a double layer of sunscreen. This small act of self-care keeps my skin happy and makes me happy. I end my skincare with a little bit of lip balm. The chickpeas are ready and I'll sprinkle some sumac, and on confit I'm adding some Italian seasoning. Now you can always use some fresh herbs, which actually taste much better than these dried herbs. After a very long time I'm making some guacamole. I had a very bad experience with avocado. Usually they do not come in a good condition. The bread came out right, but it was still very dense to my liking. Despite being a food blogger, I do not like to experiment too much, not more than 1 or 2 recipes each week. It keeps me sane, to be honest, while managing everything around the house. So today I was making some Turkish egg with a little bit of twist. And if you are an egg lover, you are going to fall in love with these Turkish eggs. They are so easy to make and it is so delicious, really, really tasty. This is so good, Anshu. Oh my god.
Good actor.
Ahmet'le de beraber. Paneer. See that?
This is the closest mall to our place, and it also has a cinema hall. But we never had that much time to notice around. I just realized they had a collection of old vintage equipments that is being used in cinema for ages. Different types of cameras and all the other unique gadget. I don't even know the names. After coming back home, it was already very late. I wanted to start with the dinner, and this is when again the planning bit comes in play. I have always spoken about meal planning, and these are the days when it helps me the most, when I really don't want to stand for hours in the kitchen to cook a meal. All I want a quick, fast, easy recipe which can be whipped up in less than 10 minutes or so. Green amaranth and palak paneer sabzi. It's so tasty and so delicious. If you have done your meal prep right, then it should be ready in less than 10 minutes.
Take a leap of faith. We got a love that's worth the wait. Darling, you've been on my mind. Gonna love you to the end of time. I know you're the one. Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'd never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. What you waiting for? You and me could be so much more. There's something I've been dying to say.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. I post every week, and now I'll see you in my next video.
Actually,